Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see other people's best friend on Snapchat. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So to view this list, all we have to do is first of all open the Snapchat, and here we need to click on our profile picture in the top left corner to open our profile. As you can see, here is my profile. And if I scroll down, I will find my friends list. So this is the friends section. And if I click on my friends button, I will view all my friends I have on my account. So here they are. And if I want to make some of these friends my best friend, I need to hold for a while on the friend I want to make best friend, and I can click on pin as your number one best friend, but I need to subscribe to Snapchat Plus for this action. So if I go and click on his profile and go to his profile, here is his profile, and if I want to see his best friends list, as you can see, if I scroll down, I do not have this option, and I can't see an option to view his best friends list because in Snapchat this information is confidential, and you just cannot view this as a simple user. So basically, uh, as for right now, there is no way of how you can view someone's best friend list on Snapchat. Only if you will contact this guy and ask him directly about it. And basically that is it. That is how you can view someone's best friend list on the Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.